Here is a KiloCode review. KiloCode is accessible on Safari, Chrome, or Google. Now, if you search it, you'll be redirected on this page. It is an AI coding without limits. You can also install it from the website depending on Chrome, Safari, or Google that you use. You can also go ahead and scroll down and you will see there the book a demo session. So this is good for those people who are actually not aware of the KiloCode. Now for you to be able to download it, just put on your email and then they will send you a link to book a demo. Click on the book a demo option. What you need to do is put your first name, last name, work email, job title, company name, and things that is needed to be filled up so that you can book a demo with them. Now, book a demo is kind of like a tutorial on how are you going to use the KiloCode because this is for professionals. You can also see that this is already has an innovative companies partners such as Meta, Amazon, PayPal, Square, and Red Hat. So this is very honest and you can trust when it comes to coding. As you can see, there is also different AI partners that you can use that is given on the video on its website.